lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing some goodies I received. This first package is from Dipnotic Nails, and it is from their Burlap and Boughs collection, which is new for Christmas this year. And I actually got 3 out of the 5 or 6 colors that were available. I forgot how many there were in the set total. So going right in here, this first color is called Candlelit Cabin. And it is a gorgeous fine gold glitter. And I have plans for these 3 colors already, so stay tuned for a mani with those colors. Then there's Cozy Hearth, which is a gorgeous silver fine glitter. And if you know me, or if you don't know me, I'm telling you now, I'm not a big fan of red, so I like greens and golds and silvers for Christmas. This next color is Evergreen Ridge, which is a fine glitter green. So I have an idea with stamping for this, so I'm not going to say anything else because I don't want to spoil it. And then I also got this cute little file that has some red glitter on it, and of course a thank you card with all their information on their social accounts and website. The next package is from Pampered Pretties. I ordered these items from their Pinkmas collection, which was out of stock, but then it was restocked, so I grabbed it right away. This is just a little practice freebie. And how cute are these winter penguin decals? So I saw Pinkmas, I saw the penguin decals, and I'm like, I know that I have to do like a wintry penguin pink mani. And that'll also be upcoming here, probably prior to Christmas, just because I like, the way that looks for Christmas time as well. So this first color is called Glorious, and it is a thermal changer. It is pink with foils in it, and then when it gets hot, it turns white with the pink foils. So I have swatches at the end here, so you can see all of the colors swatched out. I tried to get the lighting as best as I could, but it was kind of hard because it was still sunny when I took the pictures. This next color is called Twinkle Toes. I just think that's such a cute name for a color. And to me, this reminded me of like snow with pink glitter in it. I just can't describe it. And it, like the texture of it was so powdery. I don't know if you can kind of get that on the video here, but hopefully when I do the mani with these colors, you'll see that. And the last color that I got from Pinkmas is 'Tis the Season to Sparkle. And it is a kind of like a medium pink with glitter, so like a shimmery glitter pink. I stink at describing colors, by the way. And that is what I got. Oh, and then there was also this freebie, Forever Young, that they put in the package for me. And it is a gorgeous mix of glitters and a whole bunch of different shapes. I think I saw some stars in there as well. So I'll be using that at some point. And then the last item I have to unbox is my Ritzy Dips December subscription. And how cute is this little deer sticker for the month? They always put a sticker in there. And there is also a little slip of paper explaining the free gift, which is agate, an agate slice to use for like nail art or as a nail prop or a coaster. And that is what I'm taking out right now. So there were 4 or 5 different colors, I believe they said, and I got kind of like the pearly color, and it has a little bit of gold flaking going around the rim of it. And now diving right into the colors here after I unpack them. The theme this month is navy and pink for this box. So the first color is SB064. And it is the chunky glitter of the bunch because there's always like a chunky glitter, a fine glitter, and a solid. But this month they did a little something different. So this has a bunch of different navy shapes, glitters in it, and also pink. And it's really pretty. Again, it was kind of hard for me to get it in the swatching picture. So hopefully once I take my nail fees with this, you'll see it a little bit better. Then there's SB065, which is like a solid navy. And then it has flecks of pink in it. So this normally would be like the fine glitter, but like I mentioned, they did something a little different this month. And then SB066 is a shimmery pink color, a very light pink, which is beautiful. I love this color. And I also have an idea for this mani as well. So all of these colors that I unboxed, I will be doing future manis with, so stay tuned for all of those. Thanks so much for watching and have a lovely day.